The automotive industry is facing more challenges than ever. New platforms, labor shortages, inconsistent quality, tighter timelines, and advancing technologies are pushing the limits of traditional processes. The industry demands operations that not only keep pace, but drive success. With over 45 years of connecting OT and IT in automotive manufacturing, JR Automation solves complex challenges across every tier of the supply chain. From concept to final assembly, we're a long-term innovation partner, offering comprehensive solutions throughout the production process. Our automation and digital solutions support every stage of automotive manufacturing and quality control, including stamping, body and white, sealer decks, tire and wheel, powertrain, final assembly, and more. Whether it's robotic assembly, advanced material handling, quality inspection, or digital insights, JR Automation delivers total, seamless solutions. With systems running in nearly every major OEM, EV startup, and Tier 1 plant, our track record is proven. Our team is built to handle what's next. In a world of accelerating change, JR Automation keeps you moving forward. As a Hitachi Group company, we're helping transform the broader mobility industry, connecting data, machines, and people to move the industry toward a more sustainable and innovative future. When the industry demands more than a vendor, JR Automation is your partner in advanced automation and digital technology. It's a smarter way to automate. Put the future in your control. Visit jrautomation.com today to learn more or to connect with our team.